Tubicen is a rounded puck sconce light. They have two screws, one on each side. You can hang them with the light shining sideways or up and down. As you take note of the design, you simply grab and pull out to show you the inner side by gently pulling. And that's where the lights are at. On each side, top and bottom, they come out. They give a different type of angle and design of lighting. A nice close-up look and lit inside of the single COB light. They are 110 VAC. The fixture is made of plastic and metal. Unscrew each of the screws. The bracket can be hung up anywhere to the side so the light goes up and down. Our demonstrations we're showing over here at the bench. And inside we have quick connects. Inside wrapped up is your load, neutral, and ground. And demonstrations of turning the light on. It lights up in a straight down and up. As you can see, we removed the top cover. It gives a wider angle. And if we take the cover and reverse it with the wide facing towards me and the narrow facing towards you, it gives the actual design and correct angle. We'll hang this up in a scenic area so you get an idea of what it looks like in a room. In this demonstration, we'll turn on the sconce and we'll show you what it looks like lit up. It gives an angle, a narrow angle with the cover slots on. If we take the unit and pull the covers off, you can see on the top how wide they go. And then if we take the bottom off and do the same thing, you get a nice wide up and down. It is a warm Kelvin. If we take the covers with the triangular and do it the opposite way, we get a shining light straight up. And we can have a different type of design in 4 different ways of the shields. Looking from above and into the light, and looking down, showing the wideness of the light. And from down, looking up into the light. Looking side to side gives you a different type of angle. And placing on a 45 degree. If you're interested in one of the soft Kelvin sconces, entertainment, dressing up the area, and more, this may be the light for you. Put on a wall switch, non-dimmable switches. This is a product for your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.